Okay, guys, Operation Recovery, German turn 5. I had 62 to spend. I am buying one destroyer, three subs, one fighter, four infantry, a tank, artillery, and a mech. And that is 62. Alright, so I got some battles to do. uh, First battle is uh, for Karelia. I'm going to move in four infantry. So that'll be a walk on. All right, next battle for Archangel. I'm going to bring out a fighter, go one, two, three, and he'll land in Leningrad. And I'm going to bring in two tanks with that. Okay. All right, the city of Smolensk. I'm bringing in two tanks for that. All right. And I'm going to take the bomber and go one, two, three, four, five, and he's going to land here, and I'm going to drop off two infantry with that on that battle. Okay. Belarus, I'm going to bring in one, two tanks for Belarus. All right, and I'm going to bring in one artillery with that from Eastern Poland. Tanks came from Leningrad. All right. So the next one is going to be. I am also. All right, I'm going to take a bombing run, 1-2, into Bryansk to hit the factory there. And then he's going to go back up to, I don't know yet. For Bessarabia, I'm going to bring in one, two, three tanks, two mechs. Okay. And two artillery from Eastern Poland. Here, I'm just going to put everything over here in Romania. All right, so I'll bring in three tanks, two mechs, and then I'm going to bring in the bomber and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then he's gonna go up to Leningrad. All right, and I'll bring these two infantry in. All right, so we'll probably just move all that up to the top when that battle hits. All right. Okay. So those are my attacks. All right. So we'll start at the top. Archangel. You got two artillery. All right. I've got a fighter. Two tanks and a jet fighter. All right. So got one hit. You got one hit. So, all right. So they lose one. I lose one. All right. Archangel again. And I got the hit. All right. So I take it with one tank. All right. So I lose a tank. And this will be Germany. All right. And you lose two artillery. Plane goes back to Leningrad. All right. Next one is Smolensk, two tanks, two infantry versus your infantry. All right, two tanks, two ones. All right, and you have one infantry. All right, I got the hit. You lose that one. Okay, so you lose your guy. This will be German. And this one is deleted, says done. This one is done. All right, next one is artillery mech versus two tanks and an artillery. All right, there's your two tanks and an artillery. All right, so 1 hit. And you got 2 hits. Alright. Lost a tank. And mech. And you lost 1. So the tank, miss. Miss. Hit. And you miss. Alright. That was a little costly too, but you got rid of 2. Alright, I lost a tank and an artillery. That was really useful. Alright. That's Germany. That one's done. Alright. Next one is this guy, group. Alright, so I'll just bring it up to the battle board. So you got it up there. Alright. Alright, so I got 3 tanks, 2 mechs, paired with 2 artillery, and 2 infantry. And you got 3 twos. Alright, so I got 3 tanks, 4 twos, and 2 ones. Alright, now that I need 3 hits. I got 1, 2, 3 hits, 4 hits actually. Alright, so that's out of here. You got 3 twos. 1, 2, 3. And you got 1 hit. Alright. So you lose these 3 guys. You lose these 3 guys. Alright, I lose 1 infantry. Alright, and that's what I take it with. 3 tanks, 2 artillery, 2 mechs, and an infantry. Alright, so I got Serbia. Alright, so this will be German. This one's done. Alright, so I got 1 infantry. And this AA is going to move up to Poland. 1 tank, 2 tanks, 3 tanks, 2 mechs, and an artillery. Alright, and then this bomber, he went to Leningrad with that other bomber. Okay. Okay, so got the factory to bombard. Alright. So bombard on the factory. Three plus 2, that's 5 on the factory damage. Alright. The factory be damaged. Alright. Okay. 5 damage on the factory. Alright, so that's damaged. Alright, so alright, non-combat moves. Alright, so I'm going to move 5 mechs up to eastern Poland. With 1 infantry is going to rail eastern Poland. 1 infantry from northern Italy is going to rail to Poland, eastern Poland. So in eastern Poland, I'm going to have 2 infantry, 5 mechs, and 2 AA. All right, the mech that's in southern Italy is going to go 1, 2, 3 to Romania. All right, and this artillery is in Romania also. All right, and okay, down here at the bottom, I'm going to move the tank. I got a tank. Okay, so I'm going to take the 3 TACs. All right, and move them to French West Indochina. With the TAC bomber, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 non-combat, so we don't have to worry about the AA, and he's going into French Indochina. All right, my 8 fighters are going to fly the same pattern, and they are going to move. All right, they're going to move into French West Africa. All right. Okay. I'm going to take 1 infantry out of El Alamein and move it to Libya. Okay. I'm actually going to take, all right, this bomber is going to go back to Romania. I'm going to have 1 bomber that went here, so because it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. He's going here, but the other one that dropped off here is going into Romania. So I have 2 bombers in Romania. All right, 1 bomber up here in Russia. All right, so that'll be that. All right, I wonder if I should do that. Yeah, no, I'll leave that 2nd bomber up there in Russia. Okay, this one will be here. All right, so I'm going to place my units. I'm going to put 3 subs. Well, I'm going to put the destroyer in A13, fighter in Western Germany. 3 subs will go into A25. Actually, 2 subs will go in A25. And 1 sub is going to go to A13. All right. 4 infantry are going up to Leningrad. Okay. So 4 infantry are going to go into Leningrad. All right. And the tank, mech, and artillery are going to go into Romania. So Romania will have now 2 mechs, a tank, and an infantry. All right. So that's my battles and my trend. Okay, so for deposition, all right, Karelia has 4 infantry. Archangel has 1 tank. Leningrad has 4 infantry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tanks, 2 tech bombers, or which were actually transports, and 1 fighter in Lithuania, or in Leningrad. In city of Smolensk, I have 2 tanks, 2 infantry. Belarus, I have 1 tank. Eastern Poland, I have 5 mechs, 2 infantry, and 2 AAs. In Bessarabia, I have 3 tanks, 1 infantry, 2 artillery, 2 mechs. Romania, I have 1 tank, 2 mechs, 1 artillery, and a strat bomber. Okay. Germany, Western Germany, I have 1 fighter, and in Sea Zone A13, I have a destroyer and a sub. I have 2 subs in A25. In French West Africa, I have 4 TAC bombers and 8 fighters. In Egypt, I have 5 infantry. Yep, 5 infantry. And in Italian Libya, I have 1 infantry. And that's it. All right. For income, Germany is sitting at 50. All right. Plus, I get 15 I get 5 for Leningrad, 1 in LMA, and Normandy, Denmark, and that. So that's 15 out of 50. So that's 65. Something went wrong. 50. Someone I must not have marked. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I guess it's 50. I thought I had more than that. All right. Okay, I got 50. 50. 60. 65. Do I have anything else now? Don't have the armament system no more, so that's gone. Alright, right now, back on mouse gun, Mark Sweden there. Alright, so I got 50, 60, 65. Alright, for next term, plus I do the 65, and then I will do the convoy. Alright. I'm going to recount that all though, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's do the convoy. And 3 for the convoy. Okay, so I got 62 next turn. Alright. I'll count that up and see if I'm right or wrong. But okay, alright, there you go.